what we have lived for. Poverty appears to be the primary cause of crimes committed by most Inuit. But what causes poverty? Is it the government? Is it the people around us? Or is it ourselves? In fact, all of these are considered in causing poverty. But why? Why the government? Why the people around us? And why ourselves? To begin with, most countries from Asia and even in USA are facing poverty in this era. And the one they are blaming upon this problem is their administration. Our leaders who run in our government and called why Filipinos are suffering poverty. Upon observing the situation nowadays, just few of our government leaders are doing their tasks to serve people and most of them are doing their jobs for their own happiness and satisfaction. We must face the reality that our government is not a government of people, but it is a government of liar and corrupt leaders. There are lots of factors to be considered why poverty exists in our country. Those are the population growth, the different points of view of Filipinos, and not only the government, but also ourselves. The population growth of the Philippines is increasing rapidly, and another problem can stand out from these problems. Those are the lack of shelter they can live, the lack of food they eat, the clothes, and also not enough education for their children, and especially their health, because there is a probability that in a place which is overpopulated, different diseases can occur to children and even to adults. The loss of jobs of our parents are another effect of overpopulation, so that we can suffer too. Population growth is not a problem of our government, but it's ours. Why? Because as an individual and a citizen of the Philippines, we must discipline ourselves in all aspects of life to prevent the occurrences of some problems that lead to poverty. But why people are put the blame on the government, why they are suffering poverty, and why are they less fortunate? Don't ask the government, ask ourselves. Honestly, development and improvement of our country starts on ourselves. Discipline our children, discipline ourselves, and later on, we will see the gradually development of our country. And then, we should cooperate to the programs of our government and not to be antagonists. Make yourself an honest man, and then you may be sure that there is one rascal less in the world. Poverty should not be used as an excuse or an alibi to justify the commission of a crime. Every man is an architect of his own future, but then you can never plan for your future by the past. Nevertheless, no man has any right to rule, who is not better than the people whom he rules. Thus, if men be good, government cannot be bad. This has been our life. Have you ever regretted it? What we have is for.